Hello everybody, this is a short demo of the first demo of the reputation system. So I want to explain a little bit how this works. The reputation system is enabled to store reputation statement on the Ethereum blockchain. Basically, a reputation statement has three parts: a source, a claim, and a target. It's like when I say John is a good developer, I can model that as I said John is the target, I am the source, is good is the claim. But this all happened in a context called development skills. It's like maybe John is good at development in the context of development, but in the context of payment behavior or social skills, maybe he's not too good. So we have these four concepts: source, target, claim, and the context. So I want to take a small look at the contracts here. We have a reputation context where everything is stored. It has a name of the context and a store. The store is where the statement is really stored. So we can have different kind of stores. We have a abstract class for that, or abstract contract. Basically, the store has a name, like 5-star, whatever. It has different behaviors, and the claim function that basically I can add a claim like a source, target, and the claim, right? Source and target are basically addresses, and the claim can be a number, but that can be changed too. So, for example, I can have a 5-star claim store where I store basically the source and which claim he makes, like 1-star, 5-star, or 4 stars. Also, I have built a context factory, so it's easy to add new context with different claim stores, and this also works as a registry of all the contexts that are built with this factory, so I can query for a context very easily. So let's take a look how this works. I'm working here with TestRPC, so basically I have a lot of accounts, and also I have deployed the factory in this address. Has no context in this address yet, and I can take a look at what is this factory. I'm the owner, and the claim store factory, so I can build in this factory, context factory, only 2 types of claim stores, likes and 5 stars. And so I can decouple the factory of how to create context from the factory itself. Well, so to build a new reputation context, just click here, for example, the App Store app or DApp. Okay, and I have this context, and also I have a mechanical context like the App Store developer, and that's it. And for example, in the context of DApp, I can say, this is the context I'm making the claim. The source, it's myself, but this can be changed. For example, if you want another contract to store statements from other sources, you can add it like that. This is an interface disabled only. So I can say, for example, let's say this address. I want the claim in this is a 5-star claim store, 5-star claim store. So basically I can put number from 1 to 5. So I will add here like 3, and I can claim on that. So if I search for the target, it can give me it has one person that gives him 3 stars. So basically he has an average of 3 stars. All this, the contract provides this histogram, but the average is calculated on the client side. So if I want to, for example, made another claim, this claim store that I built allows to give different stars from the same person, from the same source. This can be restricted on the contract also, but it depends how we want to build the claim store. So for example, I give 4, and I ask the claim, I have something like that. And well, if I change context, like in this other context, the target doesn't have any reputation, so I can give other reputations in other contexts. Well, that's it. Hopefully you like it. If you have any question, just send me a message and I will try to help. The other thing, the next thing I'm moving is adding new claim stores, or define the claim stores to work how, for example, the App Store needed. And also I want to try to integrate this with a persona, so you can give reputations not to an address but to a persona itself. So well, that's it. Hope you enjoy. Bye.